difference between cannot and cannot. One is joint and the other is separated. The cannot joint simply means the inability, while the cannot separated means the ability. For example, Cynthia cannot cook. Simple. She has no ability to cook. Joint. Now, James can not only play football but also play table tennis. Means James can both play football and also play table tennis. Take note, the cannot that is separated is usually followed with a but in the sentence. It's usually followed with a but in the sentence. I hope you've learned something new. Please like our videos, share, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you, and God bless you.